Hey everyone, before we jump in, like and subscribe for more quick Canva tips. Today, I'll show you how to work in Canva in full screen mode for a distraction-free, immersive design experience. While in your Canva project, look for the zoom icon at the bottom right to expand your canvas. For a true full screen experience, find the full screen or expand icon near the top of your interface and click it. This maximizes your workspace, hides other desktop elements, and lets you focus entirely on your design. You can now move elements freely, zoom in for detailed work, or get a full overview of your project. When you're ready to exit, just press Escape or click the Exit Full Screen button. That's it! Full screen mode helps you declutter your workspace and design with precision. Like and subscribe for more Canva tips and happy designing!